What is going on, everyone? I hope you are having a great Saturday. Today I wanted to create this video to share with you my insights on a value add stock that can add so much value to your investment portfolio. First off, I'm not a financial advisor. Please take my information as guidance. Anytime when you do consider investing, always do your research. Also, I will leave the links down below to support with my alliseeisW e-commerce branding. I would really appreciate if you support. It really adds value to this channel, as well as building on my e-commerce business with the alliseeisW branding. Let's say if you're new to this channel, please make sure to hit the subscribe so that you gain on financial insights when it comes to value add hidden gem stocks, as well as in crypto. And I also make self-development videos as well. So the ticker I wanted to share with you is Skye Bioscience, SKYE. This is a biotechnology company that is based out in San Diego, where they're working on a prodrug. In fact, their drug product is a modified patented drug molecule that uses THC with the addition of amino acids. And what's interesting about this company is that it allows for reduction in intraocular pressure by reducing hypertension in the eye, and that's one of the leading causes for glaucoma right now with Skye Bioscience's product line, THC VHS. In fact, with their preclinical trials data, it has demonstrated superior reduction in intraocular pressure in use with Ropressa, and also the company has done single challenge studies to see whether it's demonstrating safety and efficacy with its product line. In fact, it's demonstrated to show that it's doing much better than latanoprost, a commercially available drug that's available right now for glaucoma patients. And what's interesting is that we shall hear neuroprotection data coming out very soon. Of all the commercially available drugs right now, 0 products have an intended use claim for neuroprotection, and most glaucoma patients can benefit from this because this is really the preventive action to prevent you from having increased severity with glaucoma. So I firmly believe that come with time, Skye Bioscience, in terms of its share price value, will increase in valuation. Currently priced at 16 cents, we know that it can potentially bull run beyond the 20 cents range up to 30-40 cents range in the near term. And before the end of this year, I'm forecasting that the share price will catapult beyond the $1 range. That's my takeaway, because there's a lot of sharks and whales right now that are looking for cannabis plays that's bridging the gap between natural medicine and pharmaceutical science. And Skye Bioscience is one of the leading pioneer companies that can showcase that. And there's not too many of these type of companies that are in this niche environment, right? I mean, we know that there's a ton of biotech companies in like cancer-based therapy treatments, but it seems to be fully diluted with so many companies in that environment. This company is focused on trying to better the lives of glaucoma. It's very specific, and it's a very simple drug molecule. Anyone can fully understand it. If and when this company obtains approval by the FDA, then it will have like 7 years of market exclusivity rights for its drug products. So you won't have copycats be able to borrow and steal their drug because it's patented. And even before FDA approves this drug product, I have high conviction that the share price will reach the whole dollar share price range with the current CEO, who has experience from Oncosec as well as Inovio Pharmaceuticals as VP of Finance and Operations, where he's really scaled up the company to where Inovio Pharmaceuticals is today, as well as with Oncosec. And we see just those type of companies maturing, getting patent protection with electrophoration, and now with Penny Dillon at Skye Bioscience working with a very simple product. I mean, when you have a simple, stupid product type of mentality, then that's when you'll have buy-in from huge time shareholders and institutions, because people like simple ideas. And the fact that you just measure pressure in this regard, as well as with neuroprotection effects, then I have high belief that Skye Bioscience is going to be one of the companies that will take off, similar to like Zomedica when the share price was hovering at 7 cents. Now it's like in the whole dollar range. I mean, it peaked at like 2.93 from like the low 7 cents. So I firmly believe that Skye Bioscience will take that same catapult type of approach because of the milestones it will begin to achieve. And it's going to be interesting because we know that come Q3, Skye will start human clinical trials in Australia with a subject group of like 62 patients to demonstrate safety. So I have high belief that that time is going to be coming, and with the data that they've shared with dry ease experiment test, that just shows that there's a zero safety implications. So I have high belief that Skye Bioscience is going to lead the way in the cannabinoid research space, and that's why this is the #1 main biotech company that I'm banking on. And I just wanted to share my insights with you because if you, let's say if you're an existing investor, I appreciate you supporting the ongoing milestone achievements Skye is going through. But let's say if you're new to this, where you're attracted to the company, just do your research and just understand why this company is positioned for success. There's not too many competitors, and this company has a unique patented protection drug product that they're working on. And actually in Q4 of this year, they have another product that's underway, and that's the CBD VHS program, and we shall hear multiple indications for you. So it's going to be very exciting times. And with Puneet Dillon assembling an all-star team, I mean, just recently with another ophthalmologist PhD who got brought on board, who has experience working at Harvard Medical Center for 5 years and is currently the board member from the ophthalmology field in Europe. I mean, that just tells you that this is going to be on a global scale in terms of exposure of Skye Bioscience. So I hope that this video added value, and thank you so much for watching another episode here at All I See Is W. Thank you. Have a great weekend all. Goodbye.